everybody, and welcome back to Witching Around with Leslie. If you're new here, hello, and I am honored to have you watch me. So today we're going to go ahead and do the January base box Boxycharm. Gosh, mine took forever to get here. I'm in Texas and they come from Illinois, and for some reason it went from Illinois all the way to Georgia, and then like got caught up somewhere and then came to me. I did kind of take some sneak peeks online. I haven't seen what my actual variation. I wasn't too impressed with the sneak peeks. So let's see what I get. Heavy. I just love the sound of opening a package or cutting the label or whatever on a package. I just love it. So, let's get started. The box is a little rough looking, but I guess that's what it's for, right? I've received way worse, honestly. So, this is how it's packed. If you've never received a Boxycharm, this is generally how it's packed. So it's Boxycharm Fresh Start. Right there at the bottom it says Fresh Start, and makes sense for the new year. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. And the variation says, this is long numbers. It says C2101032-BA. I'm guessing maybe the variation is BA. I don't know. I've never seen this before, and of course it has the heart right there. So let's dive right in. The first one, I'm going to start from the bottom up because I never start from the top, because I never do what I'm supposed to. And it's going to be the Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. I'm real big about lip stuff, so yeah. So let's go ahead and check this item out. Kiss the planet. Be friendly. Yay, I love bees. In our front yard we have these little weed flowers that attract bees, and we'll just sit there and watch them sometimes. Yeah, I made it sound so nice, all these weeds in my front yard. Instructions for use. In cold weather, massage the tube between your fingers to soften the balm. This will make it easier to flow from the nozzle. Okay. Well, okay. It comes out of London, but it's made... Okay, so the company's from London, but it's made in the USA. Okay. Bali Balm Sweet Orange and Coconut Lip Balm. Essential oils of sweet orange and coconut give this lip balm its citrusy tropical aroma. The MSRP is $33. Let's check out this tube. 15 milliliters. So that's that. Yeah, I don't know about that. We'll see. I'll give it a whirl. Next up, I like this brand. It's the Dr. Brandt Do Not Age with Dr. Brandt Triple Peptide Eye Cream. I use like a night face mask cream. You don't have to wash it off. You just leave it on overnight. It's very moisturizing. Let's see. So let's read about this a little bit. This deeply hydrating peptide powered cream helps diminish all signs of aging around the delicate eye area, including lines, wrinkles, dark circles, and puffiness. I don't want to hear any of that. I don't want to hear none of that. Just kidding. For refreshed, younger looking eyes, for all skin types. Okay, I'm going to try it. Oh, wow, holy cow. This is MSRP to $82. Let's see, and this is 15 grams. Slipping and sliding away. Okay, so I get it. DNA. Okay. Yeah, see. I don't know if y'all can see that. DNA, do not aging. Yeah. Ah, that was actually cute. Okay. And here it is. This is apply AM and PM to the eye contour. So I guess you could use it however much you need to. And then, so I'm definitely going to give that a try. And the Laura Geller. I wish I put in some bubble. They're actually using bubbles. Okay, so here's the inside. Laura Geller High Def Glow Illuminator Duo Heart of Gold. This Illuminator Duo features a shimmer that radiates with pearlescent polish and a stardust sparkle. Okay, that sounds pretty wonderful right there. I love like kind of iridescent, pearlescent type stuff and stardust and sparkle. That's, yes. The left shade, Shimmer, is a soft low light of crushed pearl, and the right shade, Sparkle, is a high density sparkle that looks as though it was plucked from the night sky. Wow, that sounds really lovely. I love the night sky. Like, I love everything mentioned in here. I love the pearlescence. I love the sparkle. I love the night sky shimmers. Yeah. So this one is pretty shimmery. That looks like it could even be pretty for an eyeshadow if it's as sparkly on the skin as it is in the container. Yeah, I'm gonna have to give this a try. And the MSRP on that is $33. Wow. And next up we have Farmacy Deep Sweep. It's 2% BHA Pore Cleaning Toner. Okay, I don't have any toners. It has moringa and papaya in it. And this is a heavy container. That's why it's, so that's why the box was heavy. 4 fluid ounces. It feels like a brick, seriously. So let's read about it. So it's an alcohol-free 2% BHA toner that gently exfoliates, deep cleans pores, and controls oils without overstripping skin. Wow, that sounds great. That sounds like something I would really want to use, and I love this brand. So it looks like a keeper. It's ideal for combination oily or acne prone skin. Yeah, that's me. Combination. MSRP is $28. I'm surprised it's not more expensive for as big as it is. It's 4 fluid ounces. It says to use. Swipe on to cleansed face in the AM and or PM, avoiding the eye area. Do not rinse. A slight tingling may be experienced. May be used daily in the absence of irritation. For daytime use, follow with a sunscreen. Okay, that's good to know. I'll probably just do this at night. I don't really go out much these days. And this is the bottle. Wow. And it's a glass bottle. That's why it's so heavy. And this product is paraben-free, formaldehyde donor-free, synthetic fragrance-free. Okay, and last but not least, we have... Da-da-da! It's the Ciate London Velvet palette, 12-piece eyeshadow palette. I personally like this brand. I wasn't too impressed with that, whatever that New York fall one was, or I don't remember what it was. I wasn't impressed with that one, but hopefully this one is different. Create molten metal and matte looks with this palette, featuring a mix of hyper metallics, soft shimmers, and velvety smooth mattes. The innovative power formulation delivers high pigment with super soft application. Oh, this is a new launch, so that's pretty cool. MSRP is $30. And cruelty-free and vegan. Mix and match metallics and mattes for intensely dazzling looks, is what it says on here. Didn't really see this palette on when I peeked at the products. I saw that I Love You, that olive one, and it's so hard for me to do olive tone stuff because my skin's already has like an olive tone to it, so I just don't do well with those. Maybe it's just me because I like black all the time. Oh, that's pretty. It's really pretty. I wish y'all could see the sparkles in it. Like, this is like gold, and this one right here has some pretty sparkles. So does this one. I mean, so there's a shimmer. The only thing is there's some like, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I don't know, maybe this thing touched it. But some of the lines have some like black on there. Can y'all see that right there? like the ribbed part, the part sticking up in the shadow. Yeah, it's weird. This one has it too. This one has it too. Ooh, like, what the heck is that? I don't know. I don't know about putting that on my face now. I was liking this palette. It's really pretty, especially with this lighting, like in person, but not, obviously not. See there, now y'all can see some of the sparkle in that one. Yay, y'all got to see the sparkle. So, I mean, I was pretty impressed with this palette and the colors and stuff. But, the way that's touched, I don't know. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to put my skin in this one. Maybe I'll contact the company. I don't know. We'll see. I'm going to look up things about it too. So anyway, so that is how Boxycharm started off the year with a fresh start. As with this box, I wasn't looking forward to it because of the sneak peek I saw online. And I actually kind of was. I mean, I wasn't too thrilled about this one. I really liked the palette, but not the condition that it was in. So I think Boxycharm might do a little bit better. And it's not even on like what products they put in there, because I know we're not going to love every single product, but what products we do get, they should be in good condition. They shouldn't be touched. I mean, I don't know how many palettes I've received that have been touched, and I don't think it was the plastic rubbing on it. It just, there was no signs of eyeshadow anywhere else. Like, where did the pigment go, you know? So, yeah, this one was alright. It was better than what I expected. I was disappointed in the condition of the product, is what it was. So, with Boxycharm, they kind of take the bad with the good. I mean, there's usually more good than bad. And, like, sometimes there's some super impressive boxes. And I get to receive products that I normally would not buy out of my pocket. And it's a great value. It is a really good value. I mean, $27 for these products. Still pretty good. Even if I hadn't gotten the palette and I just got these 4 products, it would still be worth the $27, you know. Again, I'll take the good with the bad. And that is my Boxycharm variation for January 2021. I thank you so much for watching, and leave me a comment. Let me know about your variation. Let's chat up in our comments. And if you have any suggestions on using this product, I always appreciate y'all's help too. And that's it for today. Thank you so much. Everybody stay well. Wish you lots of love and happiness. Thanks. Bye.